Welcome back to another vlog, everybody. So I'm actually thinking about putting these on. I got newer ones. I'm going to be doing a little something different. And as you can see, I kind of put some two and two together, even though it's not technically supposed to go on this bumper. But I'm going to try to make it work. So this is what I have. I have the front lip that goes on the it goes on like 2009 to 09 to 2012 370Z. So I got it to fit on here for the most part. It doesn't wrap all the way around to the sides, but I'm going to figure out another way to that. But I'm going to put these on to kind of give it a nice blue look like I do with the headlights. So yeah, let's get started. All right, so how I'm taking these off is I'm just not gonna take the whole bumper off just to remove these. I'm just gonna take them off from there and then replace them from that. I think these will look way better, and just I'm loving the way it's coming out. But yeah, so planning to disconnect that, put that in there. Same thing with the bottom half, put that over there. So much stuff I still want to do, and it's going to make this work. But as you can tell from a close view, you can tell it doesn't really fit. But from further away, you can't really tell unless you go on the side to see, which it's embarrassing to show you. But yeah, again, it looks better on the front. The spoiler is more flush. It's not like, doesn't have like a bent look to it. Way better than what I had before. So this is the way the front bumper or the front splitter rods came out. Looks really good. Have been nice. You clean all that off. It's been raining on stuff. The other thing, and it's funny, is I just ordered this and put it in my car. I'm having issues. It's not staying up. I guess because I need to mount it up on top. But this right here, due to how low I am, it's already rubbing. I just spent 60 bucks for a brand new. So, I guess I'm gonna try to work on this, get that fixed, and see how I rub on top. See what I can do with getting this not rubbing on the tire. I had to put something right here to kind of keep it from pushing onto the tire. So it's been kind of crazy, and then the only reason why I have this on because it's been raining. And the last time I drove with like this when it's not raining is you might see my filter there. Yes, it has a hydro shield, but there's a lot of standing water where I go, so that's a hassle. So I'm in the middle of changing my diff fluid. There it is. I went ahead and broke the bolts on the bottom and then the top to refill. So I'm gonna go ahead and push this down there and drain it out. Finally draining. Like I said, I don't know when was the last time this was actually drained. Since I have the car, I haven't even tried. But I'm gonna go ahead and do it and start making that like a normal routine. I'm changing my diff fluid. So I know this is very, very important. So don't be like me that waited too long to change. But all right, let's just wait for this to drain out, and then actually drop the car down so it can drain more. And then get ready for the new one to go in. Alright, so I got my 2 diff fluid. I'm going to go ahead and put that in there. I did go with Z1, obviously. So yeah, let's get started. Differential. This is awesome. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and get this on, start pumping the fluid back in there. Alrighty, everybody, so I got everything put back together. It's running a lot better. I noticed a little bit of difference, but I'm gonna stay on top of changing those fluids. So, but other than that, I'll catch you on the next one. Make sure you subscribe. Please leave a comment below. Make sure you hit the like button, and until next time, guys, peace.